2-bed flat for sale on Oakden Street, Kennington, London. Selenium Field Sons Kennington is pleased to present to the market this 2-bed flat for sale. This property is located on Oakden Street, Kennington. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for family. House front, dining room, living room, kitchen, living room, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, landing, house front, misc. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Field Sons Kennington. They have For further details please visit Houser website.